Easy action DIY. So we have some type of glass here. It's just like a really pretty, like amber colored wine glass. Okay, we have some glue. Some type of wooden stick. Oh, looks like she's making some really sophisticated candle holders here. I don't know how sturdy this is though. It looks like it's wobbling quite a bit. Yeah, I don't know if I would actually like light these. I gotta see what she used for the base because I didn't really see that. Yeah, she's not showing us what she used for the base. Very weird. All right, you guys, so welcome to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some DIY project ideas and, of course, reacting to them. So moving on to the next one, this one uses, looks like they're making some type of reef here. This looks like cozy winter or fall type of reef design. I don't know. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, this is definitely giving me like cozy winter vibes. I actually have something similar. Wow, this is beautiful. Beautiful piece. I would just only dream of being able to make something that looked that good. So moving on to DIY number 3. Literally the easiest craft ever. Okay, show us because I don't know about that. Oh wow, she's making like her own napkin design. And adding some tassels. Oh, you know what? She might be making a pillow. Yeah, I think this is a pillow. I don't know about this being classified as easy though. I think you would have to have at least some experience making your own type of like DIY projects or pillows, because if I attempted this, it would not come out looking this good. I mean, we don't see the final result yet, but it already looks pretty good to me. So she's adding the stuffing here. This is a really cute pillow too. It's kind of mini. So it's like a cute little like mini decorative pillow that you put on your couch. Yep, that's exactly where she's putting it. Oh, she has like different colors. Oh, that's cute. Very cute. It looks homemade, but like in a good way. Like I say that all the time. Sometimes projects can look homemade, but like in a good way. So that was good. That was a nice little project. I don't know about it being easy, but that's a different story. So moving on to the next one. This one's supposed to be like a closet organizing type of video. You can use any size basket you like. Did they get these baskets from the dollar store? Because these are really cute. I know the shower curtain rings they got for sure. Okay, so they're just kind of hanging these together. But my thing is, what would you put in these? Hopefully we get to see like what she actually used it for. Oh, so this is for like your pantry. I thought this was her closet. That's funny. Oh, that's cute. And you could spray paint the shower rings so that they're not clear. This is just like a little like, you know, if you want to elevate the look further, she could have painted those gold and then it would have just been like with the gold baskets. So that's cool. All right, so here's another like fall themed DIY. So they have like a bunch of candles here. The wicks, and oh, she's gonna make her own pumpkin candle. Oh, I love this. Okay, there's the text right there. I'm just now seeing that. This is a really cute idea. You could sell these too if you wanted to, like make your own candles, sell them, like open up your shop. That'd be like a cool money making like side hustle idea. This is a cute little like fall project though. And hopefully she's gonna spray paint that glass because it's a really pretty pumpkin. Okay, so she's melting the wax. Now this would be like the most dangerous portion of the project. Yeah. See, she left this clear, but if you wanted to elevate this look, you could spray paint the perimeter like a really pretty white or something like, you know, or even orange because it's a pumpkin. I think that would be really cute. Oh, you know what? It looks pretty clear though, to be honest. Very relaxing. That came out great. That's like such a cool project idea. You would be like, honestly, you could just go to the store and buy like a pumpkin candle, but if you wanted to just like have that satisfaction of making your own, I think that would be a cool project to do. Very like fall. All right, so here's another easy action DIY. No, actually this is just decoration. So she's just got some flowers here and some little candle vases that she's using as bases, I guess. So this is probably like a nice little like centerpiece design that she's doing here. Yep. And you can switch out the flowers with the seasons. Obviously we're about to go into fall, so that would be really pretty. This is so cute. Yeah, definitely an easy one. I love it when people say that something's easy and it's like, oh, I completely agree. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these projects with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.